guys. Hi. 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 Hi, I'm Allison Pryor and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner step by step in real time so you can follow along with me. Now today I wanted to show you the paintings that I've done in the past and some upcoming ones. So keep a note of the paintings that I show you, and if there's a painting there that you want me to send you a link to, just let me know. You just have to let me know in the comments section, okay? So the first painting that I have here for you, this is an upcoming one. So the first painting is an upcoming painting, and this one is a beautiful view of a sunset. A very easy painting. We have the darks on the light. That's why it looks so pretty, because we have so much light in the background and then the darks are on top of the light. So I'll show you easy steps to painting this beautiful view sunset, or a view with a sunset, whatever you want to call it. I'll have it listed. This is my Santa Claus painting. I did this one on multimedia paper, and I also did it on canvas, which I have there. And so that's Santa. You've probably already seen some of these paintings, I'm not sure. And there's the horse behind me there, and this is the painting that I did. I gave away the original to my wonderful brother. And I have this painting here, which is the red barn, winter's snowy barn. And I'm just trying to think of what name it was. I'm trying to put names on my paintings so you'll be able to follow them and find them. So this is another one. The winter barn, winter red barn. And this one here is a recent one that I just did, and this one is a painting of seascape that I'm doing so you can do it in about 15 or 20 minutes. So I did really easy techniques for this one. It's just a nice seascape. 15 to 20 minutes seascape. This one here, I've done this a while ago, and this is my puppy in the boot. So if you haven't done it already, I can get you the link. Alright, all these are on my channel. These are all on my YouTube channel, so you can get those. And I have, this one was fairly recent. This one here is a tropical island with a palm tree. And this one here is, I made, all my paintings are very simple techniques, and I'll make it easy for you to follow along with me. So you let me know in the comments section which painting you would like to do, or which one you are going to do. And if you can't find a link, I will get it for you. There's another one. This is a walk in the forest. This is a nice one too. And a lot of people seem to like this one. This is on my channel now. Alright, and like I say, you guys may be new to the channel, so you don't know what paintings I have available for you to paint. And I do paint for beginners, so I make everything as easy as I can for you. This one here is a portrait that I did, and I got step-by-step instructions on how to paint a portrait. Very pretty, isn't she? Now, so that's a female portrait. I also did these really easy mountains. A lot of people requested mountains, and so I made this painting, and it's pretty, and it's really easy, and it's done with a fan brush actually. So that's the mountain, snowy mountain painting. This one here is very recent. This is February the 14th. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. This is 2019, in case you're wondering what day this is that I've been doing these paintings. So, yeah, so happy Valentine's Day. And this one here is fairly new. So this one here is a lakeside view. And I also have some reference photos that I use from Pixabay. They don't all have the reference photos by Pixabay. Some I make up on my own. Some I'll paint for my own pictures. Some I'll just make up out of memory, especially waterfalls. I find waterfalls, so I've been doing so many I can actually just do one, make it up as I go along. This one here says how to paint roses, and I have very easy steps for these. They can be turned whatever way you want, right? Look, you can do whatever you want with them. Nice. So, and I show you very easy techniques to paint those roses. And they don't take very long either. And I have just one more. I have tons of paintings. These are just some of the more recent ones that I did. So I have a lot. I have over 600 painting tutorials on my YouTube channel. So you have lots to choose from. I don't have a lot of time-lapsed videos, but I do have a couple just to let you look at them and see if you like to. Maybe it's not something you like to do after you see the time-lapsed, or maybe you'll say, oh, I like to do that, and then I'll have the real-time video for you, okay? So if you see any preview videos or any time-lapse videos, I have the real-time videos there for you, and I'll have them in parts, part 1, 2, 3, or I'll have the full lesson for you. So I'll have it either way, whatever way you want your painting on YouTube. Make it as easy as I can for you to. I have playlists so you can have an easier time to find them. If you have any trouble finding any of the videos or parts of videos, I check my comments and my emails every day. It's first priority when I get up, so I will be checking for your emails and your comments to let me know if you want to paint certain paintings. This one here is pretty, isn't it? That's a winter sunset. Isn't that nice? And like I said, you know, I teach you very easy steps, so you don't have to worry about, you know, I won't be able to paint that. That's impossible. I can't do that. You know, I teach in a way that I make it so easy for you. A lot of people do my tutorials, and they have beautiful paintings. I have a Facebook page where I post your paintings when you do paintings, or those people who did my paintings. And I post them on my Facebook page, and I put a link below for you. I also put a link below on the paints I use, the brushes that I use, and lots of information there to help you get started in your paintings or to keep moving along in your journey. So if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section or email me at allisonpryor@yahoo.com, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I check my emails every day. It might be a few hours, it might be a few minutes, but I will definitely contact you and give you all the links that you need to my paintings. So now, this picture here, the tree is like a V. So now we are going to go, we started here. I'm just going to go out right to the top. Finish this up here. See where else we need some. They darken as they dry. So you might put highlights on them. When they dry, you'll be like, where'd my highlights go? So you might need to redo them as the paint dries. Some are redder than others. Some are more pink than others. So you can add a bit of white if you want to brighten them up even a little bit more. You can also do a little highlighting if you take a bristle brush, ones with the bristles wide open, and highlight your grass with a bit of a lighter colored grass. Put some up around a tree just to give it a little more texture. Some on the edge. Hiding in here. Some are different colors, or some are redder than others, some are more pink than others. So you can add a bit of white if you want to brighten them up even a little bit more. Just add a bit of white to your brush with your yellow and red. See? All kinds of colors on there. So what do you think of that? Did you find the reference photo helped? I'm sorry the reference photo was a bit dull, but my printer didn't print it off as clear as I would have liked. But I will put the reference photo in my
Patreon page, and wherever I think maybe I might put it on my blog. I'll put it somewhere where you can find it. I'll let you know, and I'll put a link so you can find it. And then you can do the painting, and then you can follow the reference photo. But I'm just trying to show you don't have to have it exactly the same as the reference photo, okay? So just make sure that you put in your own little touches.
So I'll see you in the next video. Happy painting, everybody!